Test.
High, high, low,
Low.
Low, low, high,
High.
echo.
Yay! Fun monkeys, fun world! Yeah! Hello everyone, hope you're having a very fun day. Now, you're probably wondering what I am doing on the bed in the Icebox biome. Well, the Icebox biome was our destination for the great journey. Journey preparation, that's what episode 6 was called. Yeah, we've arrived. Now, you probably wanted to see the journey, but it was 3 hours long, so, yeah, it was kind of long. So, you're going to see a time lapse of the journey. The 3 hours of gameplay will be reduced to 6 minutes. And go! Alright, so there's a village over there, and all we have, we kind of just have to wait for trees to grow to get wood, and then we'll build a house. So I guess it's time to go to sleep. Wow. Wow, that was, as soon as I said sleep, Silly Cat type sleep. Now for once, Silly Cat and Sparkle Cookies cannot hear me, but they can hear each other. Wow, I don't know what went on there. Alright, so I guess it's time to go to the village. Oh, watch out for the skeleton. Ah, right, they can't hear me. Alright, oh, lag, oh, the lag. Alright, and, hold on. I'm not hearing anything. Okay. Okay, I guess something weird was just going on. Yes, we're going to go to the... Yes, we're going to the village. And I know I spelled that wrong. So... Okay. Alright, I guess, I mean, what do I do? I'm gonna have to figure out how to get down here. I have a golden apple. Alright, well, my bed is up here, so I'll respawn if I fall. Okay. Here goes nothing. Or everything. Yeah! YOLO! Brilliant. Oh, look, there's that little snowman that Sparkly Cookies built. Okay, well, obviously that didn't work out so well. Oh, my horse! I can use my horse. Come on, come on! Yay! It worked! Okay, so fun fact, if you jump from a really high place, if you can hop on real quick to a horse or a pig, it will save your life. Wait, is that? Oh, for a second I thought that was bedrock or something. Yeah, that's cobblestone. Well, it does kind of stink though, I mean, look at all this stuff. Hello, Mr. Snowman. Once I get a name tag, I'll name you, well, whatever Sparkle Cookies wants to name you. Alright, so here's my boots and my potatoes. Wow, this is a mess. Oh, helmet. Put these on. I really feel like Minecraft should be louder. Huh, okay. XP. Oh, sorry, I didn't realize the recording stopped there. I feel like I had more snow. I thought I had like 44 snow or something. Oh well. Okay, well, I'll plant the trees and then it's time to go explore the village. Alright. Spruce. Oh man, can I only place these on dirt? Well, that kind of stinks. Alright, well, I think I want to do the spruce tree because it most matches this. Alright, village time. Time to go to the village. Except I have completely forgotten where. Oh, right. Okay, so there's my little area there on the top of the ice spike. Okay, let's go to the village here. Should be like over here somewhere. Oh, right, I forgot. They're a little bit slow, and I have no idea where Sparkle Cookies is, but she has a very bad connection. So does Silicat. Huh. Hey, what was that for? Oh, oops. Okay. Alright. What's next? Alright. Okay, this is a pretty small village, but it's made out of oak, and I didn't just drop anything. Just, yeah, I don't think I dropped anything. Oh, what's the sad face? Is there, what sad face? Alright, well, let's just keep going here. Okay, I called it a village, but this is literally 5 houses, I think. 1, 2, yeah, 5 houses. Hello, sir. Yay, I got a farmer. Okay. You, sir, have some pretty good trades. Except for that one. That one's a ripoff. But the other ones, alright, you're pretty good. And this guy, 40. Does this guy sell for cheaper? No. Oh, wait. Ooh, thanks for the chest plate. Yay! Now I got everything except for some pants. Ooh, I got some more horse armor. Here. My horse already has armor. Okay. Well, ooh, this villager's kind of floating out on the river. Sugarcane! That's so cool. Wow, this is a lot of farm for just one village. Really, really small village. Oh, the water is even frozen. Wow, this is really cool. Okay, I think I'll take a picture of this. There we go. Okay. Might as well grab, okay. I just wanted to explore the village, kind of. Hold on. Video settings. Yeah, the attack and the grid. Alright, good. Now it's back on my hotbar. Hello, sir. Recently Minecraft kind of glitched out, so I had to reinstall it, so that might explain. I could get some emeralds! Okay, well, I'm not gonna spend any emeralds until I find something worthwhile to spend on. Alright, here's a Fletcher. No, don't need some arrows. Don't need shears. Sparkle Cookies already has Sparkle Cookies already has ones. Alright. Oh, I hope I didn't interrupt anything. Yeah, you're the I think you're a farmer from before. And then you, yeah. Nothing good so far. Cake, right? I can't make cake because I just can't find any things. I've never actually crafted any cake in survival. So, yeah. I know how to place wood. Okay. Oh. What do you got for me? Okay, that's a pretty good trade. Wow, that is a really good trade. Okay. Okay, I'll come back to you. Yeah, that's a really good trade. Think, which one of you is the farmer? Yeah, this is the farmer. Alright, well, to get rid of that annoying tab. Alright, finally. Alright, I'll just get some wood. I mean, I kind of need it. But I didn't get that final piece. What's going on? Okay, whatever. And here's some carrots. One of them must have already gotten that. Alright, so I just want spruce wood. Where's some spruce wood? Right. Right. There's an entire spruce forest and... Okay, there's a bridge halfway in the ice. And there's a well on the northern edge of the village. Except, it might not be. You had to start a forest fire. It better not. Why? Craft wooden. I really gotta figure out how I can get rid of that. Okay. Well, let's see. I got an emerald, and I have some planks. Yeah. Might as well get some more spruce wood. Spruce wood and cobblestone. That's what our house is gonna be made out of. All right. There's a. Oh, okay. So there's a ton of dirt here, so that's good. Normally I wouldn't be excited to find dirt, but there's literally no dirt in the Icebox biome. And Sparkle means that and Silicate have a very bad connection, and I don't get it. Huh. When you're, it should be connected to the extension. Alright, whatever. Okay, crafting table. Alright, you're back in. Crafting table. Craft shovel. There we go. Got the shovel. Alright, it is pitch black out here. Oh man. Wish I still had Optify on. Yes, this is the last video I got Optify, but since Minecraft crashed and I had to reinstall it, I haven't redone Optifine. So yeah, and my bed's all the way up there. The reason I wish I had Optifine is because I could like put a torch in my hand and that would just light up the entire area. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. No. Why? Tell me she had a bed. Tell me she had a bed. Where was she? Where did she blow up? Oh no. Oh no. This is bad. This is bad. This is bad. This is so bad. This is not good. Where did she blow up? Where did she blow up? Alright. Where? Sparkle Cookies, are you still... Or are you at spawn? This isn't good. Oh, where did she blow up? I can't tell. Oh, I thought that glass was squishy for a second. Where'd she blow up? I need to find out, quick. Where is she? She's bad at toughing out the night. And was that a glitch out? I really don't need to deal with zombies right now. Alright, Mr. Horse. Oh no, I'm hungry. Come on. Really? Guess we'll have to fight this. Hope I don't look at another bear or something. Wow, that tree on fire looks like a giant torch. Okay, let's run home. Except we don't have a home, and everything is falling apart, and I don't know what is going on, and everything's just a blur. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Sparkle Cookies is possibly 8,000 blocks away, and it's night. My bed is a couple hundred blocks away, and it's 50 blocks off the ground. I think I'm just gonna have to end the video. Have a fun day.